Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to buy a private server and steal a brainrot on Roblox. Now this tutorial will be pretty much easy and straightforward. You'll just need to follow these few steps that I'm going to show you. So let's get straight into it. First you have to go to the Roblox website and then go on to search bar. Now in the search bar type steal a brainrot and here it should be the first result that appears. So steal a brainrot in experiences. Click on that and here you will find the Steal a Brainrot experience on the left. It should be the biggest one. So click on the icon to play the game and then here you will find yourself on this page. So what you want to do is go to servers in the right. Once you have clicked on servers, you will find yourself on this page. So you just have to scroll down a bit and here you will find the private servers. And as you can see, the price is 79 Robux. So you just need to click on create a private server and here you will just need to create the server's name. So type in whatever server name you want and you will have to get at least 79 Robux per month on your Roblox game. And then click on subscribe. Now once you have done that, you will find yourself on this page. It will say you that the purchase has been completed and of course you can customize the game. So click on customize and here you will find yourself in this page where you can customize your experience by allow joining and allowing connections and server members, etc. So customize it as you wish. And that's it basically. It's very easy and straightforward. The only thing that you have to get is the 79 Robux. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.